Hello everyone, I'm Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 10 and part 2. Okay guys, in the previous part we have created the API and database for our app, and in this part we will connect our application to the API and we will receive the data from the database and we will show the data to this recycler view. Okay guys, this data is static and load from the device, and in this part we will receive these data from the database and we will show this in this recycler view. And here's the title, post 1, and we need some text. You can use from Word, Microsoft Word. Okay guys, in here you can write the fake text. We need this text and paste it in here. Okay, here are the images. You can download this image using the build link and the description. Image 1 and open, now submit. Okay guys, post 2, here is the text and here is the image, and now submit. Okay guys, now we have successfully inserted all the data to the tables. Localhost, here is the phpMyAdmin, and here is our database. Here is the table, the post tables, and here are the all datas: post title, post text, and post image. Okay guys, and now go to your Android project. Okay, here is my project, recycler view project, and open build.gradle, this file, and in here we need to paste this codes, and now press the sync button. Okay, and please wait. Okay guys, now it's finished and we're ready to connect to the web server. And in here in Java folder, in here we need to create a class for API service. Here's the name. Create a Java class with name API service, API services. Okay, and it's okay. And in here guys, we need a context, private context, and create the construction of this class with context parameter. Okay guys, in here we need a method to receive the post. Okay, and here we need an interface. Okay, and this interface should be the input of this method or this function. Okay guys, now in here in get posts, create a JSON array request. The first parameter is the method of the request method dot get. The method will be get, and the second parameter is the URL. We will add the URL later. And this third parameter should be null, and here should be new on response, new. Okay, and here is the error response. Okay guys, now I'll semicolon here. Okay guys, and when we receive successfully the data, this method will run, and when an error occurs, this function will run. Okay guys, now in here we need a list of posts. Okay, now in here we need a loop, for loop. So it also response dot length, and now I plus plus, and here create a post. Now in here we need a JSON object. Okay. Post title, post, that's it, post text, JSON object. Okay, at first now we should remove this drawable and change it to string. And here in post, this should be string. Now it's okay, and in here guys, using this parameter on received, and here is the needed post, a list of posts. This is the post. And this should be final. Okay guys, now it's finished, and in here in use adapter we should change this holder.post image. Okay guys, now in here we need to use from the Picasso. Here's the Picasso dot width. Need the context. Here is the context dot load. Here is the post dot get image. Okay, and in here into holder dot post image. Okay guys, now in main activity, here is the main activity, and here we will create API service, new API service, context, this class. Okay, an API service dot get post, new, and post received. Now in here, when the posts are received, we will use these codes, and then instead of this data generator, we will use the post list, this post list. Okay guys, and in here we need to connect our mobile and our PC at the same network. I'm gonna do it. Okay guys, now my PC and my phone are connected at the same network, and in here an API services, and here the URL. Okay guys, now in here type your PC IP address. You can find your PC IP address using the CMD. Open CMD and type IP config. This is your IP address, and paste it in here. Now the URL, here is the URL, php, and this is the URL. Copy this and paste it in here, and now in use adapter, and here you should add this too. Okay, and now in API services, and here we need to set the retry policy. Okay guys, and now in here we need to use from the volley package. There's the volley dot new request queue, and here we need the context and dot at here is the request. Okay guys, and now run the app. Okay guys, now here is the post, and here is some error with the image, and go to the news adapter, and here is the Android app, and in here instead of this we should use the folder of image, and this should be image. Okay, and /, and now run app again. Okay guys, now these posts are loaded from the database, post 1, post 2, post 4 and post 5. Okay guys, and if you change this post, then in here will be changed. Okay, I'm gonna do it in here. We can edit this, the post 1. I'm gonna change it to post title, post title 10, and now save this. Okay guys, and here is the app. Just close the app and open it again. Now these posts are loaded from the database. Okay guys, this is how to connect Android application to a web server and database. Thank you for watching, and share the video.